Slow roasted harissa salmon is a delicious recipe, and this is what you're gonna need. In a small bowl, you're gonna combine some olive oil, some harissa chili paste, and some garlic. Mix that well. You're gonna put half of it in the bottom of a baking dish, swirl it around, slice up 1 lemon, lay the slices down, and put the salmon on top. Season well with salt and pepper, and then put the second half of the harissa chili oil on top of that. You're gonna put it in the oven to roast for 10 minutes. Pull it out, baste it with those delicious juices and that chili oil, and then put it back in the oven for 20 more minutes. Can you smell that? Oh, I wish you could. Baste it with the rest of the oil. You're gonna go ahead and hit it with some more lemon juice and some fresh chopped parsley. Guys, the slow and low method of cooking this salmon is foolproof, and it's impossible to overcook. It's delicious, it's healthy. You're never gonna wanna make salmon any other way.